The journey started in 2013 when our parent company, Heirs, carried out a research on the Nigerian insurance industry, which revealed that the penetration rate for insurance in Nigeria has over the years been very, very low. In fact, less than 1%. The reasons for this are quite many. You have the issue of lack of trust, where people don't really trust the Nigerian insurance industry, particularly when it comes to claims payment. Then you have the issue of products and services that are not really meeting the needs of the people, and many other issues. Our parent company decided that, look, we can actually enter into the Nigerian insurance industry to make a difference. In that year, Heirs Holdings approached the National Insurance Commission for operational license as an insurance company.
In 2015, we were about 9 or 10 of us. We came together, very excited to start, what we know now as Heirs Insurance Group. Then it was Heirs Insurance, so we were not able to pull this off, and so it was a really disappointing period, I would say, extremely disappointing.
We applied for a composite insurance company license, and we thought that the process would be very, very fast. But surprisingly, that year actually marked the beginning of a very long journey, a journey that we describe as the journey of resilience. It took us 7 years to get operational license from the commission. On November 27, 2020, the chairman, Mr. Tony Lumelu, led our team to NICOM headquarters in Abuja, where we got 2 licenses, one for Heirs Life Assurance Limited and the other one for Heirs General Insurance Limited.
And then on the 1st of December, officially we started the business with the first board meeting for both Life and General holding on the 1st of December 2020.
It didn't take us time to start operations at all.
Remember that I think we were just 3 or 4 at the time. This place was empty. The entire building was totally empty. We didn't have furniture, we didn't have fittings, nothing.
But we launched to the public June 1st, 2021. That was about 6 months after we actually started operations.
And so it's just gratifying to see now that we are over 200 people spread across the entire country. From this place where we started, where we had nothing, like no signage, no nothing, no paper, no branded anything, to this huge group with over 200 people in just 3 years.
And that's why for us that started the journey is a family business. We don't see ourselves as staff, we see ourselves as partners to the business, we see ourselves as stakeholders. We have a special attachment to the company, and we are proud of who and where we are today.
In the first instance, it's incredible to believe that a business will start from ground zero in the year 2021 and will have come as far as Heirs Insurance Group has come. It's quite uncommon and unprecedented in the Nigerian insurance market that within 3 years in operation, both Heirs Life Assurance and Heirs General Insurance in Nigerian insurance place will have done as much as close to 40 billion naira. That is massive. Yeah. Present in almost all UBA branches in Nigeria. And that is aside our relationship with brokers, which no doubt has fetched us a pride of place before the broking arm of the industry and even before the direct and retail customers in the industry. So, if you ask me, I am very proud to be part of that resilient and highly determined people who have achieved this very great feat within a space of 3 years.
I remember that day, June 1, 2021, when we launched to the public.
Okay.
We made a lot of promises.
Yeah.
We said that we would democratize insurance in Nigeria.
Yeah.
We said that we will leverage on technology. We said that we will make insurance accessible to all Nigerians. I mean, it makes us proud today that we are delivering on those promises. And as you said, I mean, that is what has actually earned us that title of the fastest growing insurance group in Nigeria.
Yeah.
I personally feel so proud that today we are living up to expectations.
It's a big testimony today.
Very big.
Yeah.
Very big.
I'm most proud about our people. They are our most valuable resource. I'm proud of the fact that we've been able to attract people from all walks of life. We've been able to entrench them in our culture of excellence, execution, and enterprise. I'm proud of the magic that they have built. I mean, if you look at our history, you can see how much we've done. This could not have happened if not for our people. I'm also proud of the fact that we've been able to institutionalize a world-class HR system in Heirs Insurance Group. We've been able to get people from all walks of life. So we have a balance, a good mix, a fine mix of young people and the older generation.
We've actually come to make insurance simple for everyone to be able to interact with us, do business with us with ease. So as a digital insurance company that we are, it's quite impressive to see how we've been able to move from traditional ways of doing things to a much more modern way of doing things. In addition to that is our product positioning. We actually simplify products in a way that is affordable for anyone and everyone to buy. So it's no longer for a certain kind of people, but it's for anyone that actually needs insurance.
Our mantra is embedded in improving lives and transforming Africa. When we came into the insurance sector, we had said we wanted to come disrupt how things are done, challenging the status quo. And there was no better way of doing that than through people. And in doing that, we had to go for the best talents that could indeed disrupt the insurance sector. And that has spoken for us in our result of what we've achieved in 3 years.
After 3 years, we do about 4,000 policies a month, meaning that we add 4,000 customers extra every month. It's one of its kind in the industry, and I hope that we'll continue with this stride.
We have made indeed groundbreaking efforts. In our 3 years, it's been historical. We've done what has never existed in the industry. We've gotten good success in covering a whole lot of higher institutions in Nigeria. We've made huge successes at our travel space. As we speak, we are just 3 years old, but I can tell you all our Schengen offices and embassies have us on their portfolio. We've been able to have a widespread of corporate coverage too. We've also been able to penetrate very well in the public sector too. I think that's a big plus for us.
The mileage the company have been able to cover in this space of 3 years is a lot and is enviable. The company have been able to surpass the growth of even companies that have been around for 30 years. It's a very fluid company where things keep moving. Nothing is static. As a matter of fact, what we are even doing now is part of the fluidity of the company. And for me, these are things I'm very proud of.
People are happy about what we are doing. Our customers are happy. Our employees are happy. Our regulators are happy. And they keep coming to say, hey, we want to see how are you doing it? What are you doing there? You know, that attests to the fact that they are happy with us.
When we came into the market, we were very, very clear about what we wanted to achieve, to make insurance a lifestyle. Because really, in this part of the world, insurance is not seen as something that is important. In fact, it's not even seen at all. And so we really wanted people to know that, look, for a developing country like ours, where a huge percentage of people live below the poverty line, insurance is the backup. Insurance is the important factor that really can help provide succor to families. And so I wanted people to take note, to say, look again, insurance is giving you much more than the typical, if you have a damage, we will pay for it. We are now integrating into your personal life. So
we've been involved with different CSR initiatives. We launched the Heirs Insurance Group as a championship 3 years ago. And this is an initiative that we use to provide scholarship to JSS students in Nigeria.
we started the Storytellers Fund. We also launched our SA Championship, which really focuses on young children. More importantly, recently we donated a solar panel to the Nigerian Immigration Office.
This has really relieved the immigration service of the burden, of inadequate power supply for all their operations and processes in the business.
Just looking at things holistically, I would say that we've had incredible impact. More importantly, all these things we've done feed into improving lives and transforming our communities, because that's the heart of what we do, the purpose, why we turn up here every morning.
For me, the most exciting moments would be when we finally launched our loyalty and reward scheme. So for us, that's a great milestone because we've been planning since 2021 and finally we're able to launch it. And the most important thing about it is it gives value to customers. We had to partner with very key partners. We have the likes of Heirs, we have the likes of iFitness, an automobile shop, AAA. We also have, just to encourage people to read, we also have a partner more inclined towards the educational path, which is Heirs. And of course, our amazing Transcorp Hotel was one of our biggest achievements. Apart from the hospitality partnership, we also have Oriki. For us, wellness is everything. So apart from your fitness, we also want to give you that amazing relaxing massage at a very good discount. So that way you do insurance and you relax. And for us, it's a big deal.
The first time we recorded our first 1 billion, I think our target then was about 4 billion naira for the year. And we achieved the first billion in Q1. And, we had to declare for the office, for everyone in the office. And we had less than 20 staff. And our first TGIF, where we had a games night. I remember 2 colleagues of mine participating in the musical chair. That event brought out the children in us. We all put aside our professionalism and just went all out to have fun, and that was so exciting. And the third would be our first Africa Day.
When we came to the office, starting from the entrance, the way it was traditionally decorated was very fascinating. Sure. And coming upstairs, the way the staff also took it and also expanded themselves, going all the way. Yeah, breakfast. Not forgetting that, the different African menu, it blew our minds away.
I also remember several of our fests, launching the Experience Center. That was really exciting.
My most dramatic moment will be when the salary increment was announced and when letters were given to us. I was excited. As a matter of fact, I think I was dancing on my seat. My colleagues were practically laughing at me. We were all thrilled at that moment. Trust me.
The most dramatic moment for me, I can say, would be when the old system we were practicing in sales was dissolved and the flat system was introduced, removing the whole middle management reporting system. I can also say that introduction of borderless marketing to the sales group, that was a dramatic one for me, and also the salary increments.
When I saw the bonus, I wasn't expecting it. And then also, being a new company, going out there as a salesperson, people, the reception we received from people was really very dramatic. So
here at Heirs Insurance Group, we work hard and we play hard. In as much as we know that we have a lot of deliverables and deadlines to meet, we also make the environment a restful one for our colleagues. So we have bi-monthly TGIF events. Thank God it's Friday events, so we can choose to have like a sip and paint. We can have a karaoke night, so we can go to one of the cinemas to watch a movie, any kind of activity to basically form an inclusive environment at the companies.
We also have like end of the year parties that you probably will see on Instagram. For instance, last year we had the denim and diamond party that we had across the group. So it was not just Heirs Insurance Group, it was the whole Heirs Holdings Group, UBA. And it was such like a great night. Everybody was having fun. Different parties that we have within the group, so we're not just only working hard, we're also playing hard, and that way we get to have like the best of both worlds, basically.
I find it very interesting, and I find it enjoyable. And the reason is due to the good leadership I've met here. The leaders here they've really helped every individual grow.
Even more than what I used to have at
decide.
There's this adrenaline rush and excitement that comes with greater responsibility, right? So you see yourself in a new terrain, a new kind of job role, anticipation of, oh, how am I going to deal with it? It seems daunting, but it's not undoable. I have met a great team here, and I am responsible for making sure that all we do here aligns to the overall corporate objective of the company. It's giving me opportunities to grow, to learn, to communicate effectively, to delegate, and even to be able to handle conflict resolution. So it's a whole package for me.
There's a lot of opportunities within the group, and it cuts across various sectors. For instance, I came in as policy administrator. Today I'm, unit head, claims and policy servicing. So there's various opportunities.
It pushes you outside your comfort zone. It makes you realize, go beyond yourself. So I came from a different sector of financial services to where I am currently. And what I'm currently doing now is pushing me to break new barriers and achieve greater heights.
I know when I came in as just like a customer experience officer, and I was just doing basic customer experience stuff. But now I'm currently managing a team. So it has not really been easy, but I mean, look at me growing from there. I moved from, customer experience officer to a continuous improvement officer, learning something totally different, and now I'm managing my own team. So yeah, one of that. Then also the lunch, right? It's not every company that gives you lunch every day. So I mean, from when I started till now, it has been consistent. So I mean, that has actually kept me happy.
So one of the perks of working with the Heirs insurance brand for me would be peace of mind. Knowing that you have a secure job, working with a reputable brand, you come to work and you can go to bed knowing that, oh, your job is safe and secured. So that actually helps you to want to do more, knowing that your efforts are seen and appreciated.
Reflecting on my journey with Heirs, I'm happy to be with a company that embodies excellence, execution, and also enterprise. At Heirs, excellence is not just a goal. Excellence is a way of life for us. That is why we've also been able to build a culture where all employees strive for their best. And also that reflects in the way we've also been able to create outstanding relationships with our clients.
We're looking at my role, which is assurance, providing support to those tasked with governance and executive leadership. I work in various organizations. I think I've led teams in 2 companies, but here comes with a different approach for me. In terms of governance, we have a very strong board that understands the impact of governance in achievement of corporate objectives. We also have executive management leaders and key business leaders that are also well clear about how their support matters a lot to achieve those mantra. Looking back, I'm proud to be a brand, and we say Heirs is the name, and then red is the color. Everywhere you go is Heirs Insurance.
So I work in marketing and corporate communications for Heirs Insurance Group. Before I joined, I was a graduate trainee at Heirs Holdings. What I had were theoretical experience. Now, I have real-world experiences beyond theoretical knowledge, and that has empowered me towards the career of my choice.
When Tinubu said when he entered office, he's going to hit the ground running, I think that's what happened to me because I studied pharmacology, so I'm coming from the medical space into insurance, so this is not something I knew about. So coming in here, it was a bit challenging. I had to go and read, learn, unlearn. So I'm also grateful for my line manager. He really helped, right, put me through step by step. So now that I'm here, I have learned a lot. It has given me the opportunity to grow in the insurance space, in the compliance space. And this space has given me the opportunity to build that confidence, to interact with my senior colleagues.
Joining the Heirs Insurance Group, I was initially posted to work from the sales department. I appreciate the internal mobility in order to change departments because in less than a week, I was moved to the finance department where I have prior experience in. It was easier to function in the finance department. I've also developed my interpersonal skills in terms of relating with senior colleagues and also my fellow colleagues.
The simple life mantra means ease and convenience for me. It means having to get things done stress-free, accessibility, speedy services, and peace of mind.
We have leveraged insurance to actually make sure that the common man on the street, the man going to work, the person going to the market to sell, even the students can also purchase insurance easily using technology.
And for our customers, what is Simple Life to them? A simple process, simple products, simple onboarding, simple claims process. And when it comes to customer complaints, simple and fast and efficient resolution.
Making insurance affordable and accessible in the simplest possible way and format.
The insurance public should expect a whole lot of good delivery from Heirs Insurance Group in terms of service delivery, the quality service delivery, and in terms of coming up with solutions, technology-driven products that will make insurance easy and simple for people to buy, even right at the comfort of their offices and their homes.
In the coming years, Nigerians should expect more magical insurance experience from our group. Today, we settle most of our claims within 24 hours. In the coming years, I see us settling claims within 5 minutes. In the coming years, I see us moving to the hinterland, all those places that we are not yet present. We will be there in the coming years. And then I see us also bringing out more products that satisfy different needs of the people. You know, needs continue to change day by day, and we will continue to respond to all this as far as insurance is concerned.